Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will learn how we can integrate Stripe payment gateway with our Laravel application. So definitely we will follow step by step guide whatever I have given in my blog, and there will be one request: please don't pause the video and directly jump to my blog. You just first see the video that how I am doing the things, right, and then you can follow all those things on my blog. And even though I have uploaded the same code on the GitHub, so you can download that package as well. Okay, so let's begin it. So the first thing is that you must have to create an account on the Stripe, right? Because the part is, if you don't have the account, then definitely you don't have the keys and you don't have the secrets, so definitely integration won't work. So the first thing is you need to create an account, and then you have to grab your secret keys and the public keys and the publishable keys. Okay, so now let's begin it. So we will start from okay, so the part is here. I haven't added to how to create the Laravel package, right? So you guys also know that how we can create, right? So let's first create, right? So composer, create project, and then after space Laravel, and then we can write as a Stripe integration, right? So here Stripe integration will be our folder name. Okay, so it is creating. So now it is creating. I will let you know that we will integrate it without using any of the package available in the Google or anywhere, because the part is, when you will get dependent upon the packages, then definitely when the Laravel version get upgraded, at that time your package get conflicts. Either if your package won't support the upgraded Laravel version, then that will be a headache for you. So for that reason we won't use any of the packages. So we have here the Stripe integrations, we have here .env and all those things. Okay, so let me do just one thing, that let me copy my integrations keys which I have put here, right? Okay, so these are the key which you will get from yours account, right? So please don't copy mines, use yours, right? Okay, so now let's jump here. So the first thing is we have to make a controller. So just copy it, come back, open your command, enter, and just, so you can see a controller will be created. See? Now the next step will be same, copy it and paste it here. Now definitely now I will won't move from very quickly here, because definitely I have to guide your code as well, right? Okay, so here you can see, here will be a very simple code which I have written here, right? So the first thing is we are doing our basic auth with the Laravel, right? With these are the Laravel things. You can do this thing via curl as well, right? I am following up the Laravel pattern here, right? So here it will pick the Stripe secret key which I have added in our .env here, right? And then what I am doing, I am calling the API with these parameters. Here I am passing amount as a 10,000, which will becomes in passive, which becomes 100, right? Because you see that in Stripe we have to send the amount in passive. I am doing it because my account belongs to India. That's why I have to follow up these things, right? Okay. So the part is, when this will run, this will give you the client secret. That thing will be required in our, like, when we in our Stripe.checkout, and the publishable key, right? Okay, so okay, and this will be a simple thing, like when you will do the payment and all the things, then you will jump it here. So you can write the code here as per your application or anything what you are doing. Okay, so now the next thing will be, we have to create our beautiful UI, right? And we place here as Stripe and checkout, right? See here, Stripe checkout. So where we have to go, resources, views, and then Stripe, and under Stripe we will create a file as checkout.plate.php. Perfect, just copy it and paste it here. Now this will be our JavaScript part, so just copy this, and in the script part put this script here. Okay. Okay. Now let me guide you this code as well. So this is definitely a simple HTML pattern, right? And here we have written our static amount. You can make it dynamic, definitely, right? So when we move ahead, right, you can see a form where I'm doing card element. See, and this card element, if you see, I have defined here. See, I am mounting the card. So in the stripe intent part, we have to mount our card first, and we have to pass these things. You can design your card as well, like as per your idea and all those things, right? So these are the something code which is given by the stripe, and we have to follow the guidelines. We have here given the billing details that on, like, because the part is, let's see, when we are doing any checkout in India, so in India we need a 3D secure checkout, and in that case we have to create the customer as well. So for that purpose we are creating a customer, while sorry, we have to create a payment method first. Create the payment method first. So I am creating the payment method here, right, via Stripe, as per the Stripe documentation, and pass the study details. You have to pass all those details dynamically as per your application, right? So I have just tried to make the thing simpler. That's why I have written all those things statically. I hope you will understand this thing. Okay, so let's begin it. So yeah, so PHP Admin will run your application in the production mode. Sorry, not in the production mode, in the build mode. Okay. Okay, so we have what? Oh, route. Where's the route? Route. So you have see that the route code is now given in my blog. So definitely after completing my video, I will add that code in a blog, which I think, which is definitely missed by me. So we have to add the route. That's why I'm saying that please see the video till the end. So we have the routes here. Okay, so route is also added here, and you know that whenever you are doing any changes in the web.php, then you have to run php addition route cache. Perfect. So now we have to visit our Stripe, create payment intent. Yes. So we have to visit this URL. So what will happen when you hit this URL? It will call this code. Which code? This code. Go to this controller. Here is the code, right? And here is all those things, and return view to stripe.checkout, which means this page, right? And this page is showing here. Now the part is I have to pass here dummy test card, right? I have given here one for USA and one for India. So for India we will use this card detail 4000035 6000 and then 0008 6000 and 0008, and it will be any card for the future, or 25 and 123. Fine, let's pay. So you can see here it is coming 3D secure, but in case of live you will get an OTP on your mobile number which is related to your card, right? So when you will click on complete here, so see the payment will be successful, and it will be redirected to our this page, this one, right? Perfect. So and if you see my Stripe account, so there also the price will be added. Stripe login. So we are going to our Stripe account, so definitely it will take some time here to let you sign in. So when you will sign in, it will be shown like this, right? And the test mode has moved. Okay, it will be live. Why? Switch to sandbox test mode. Okay, so now you can see this will be the test mode. Now you can see the transactions. So see this one, right? So right now is will be 27th of May, and it is being like 7:11 p.m. right in the evening, and you can see that we have received 100 rupees in our account. So you can see that how successfully we have integrated Stripe payment gateway in just 10 minutes, I think, or I think more, I think less than that, right? So the one thing will be that I have also added this code on GitHub, but where is the git URL here? Okay, so I think I will do one thing. The one thing will be I will add the GitHub URL as well, so that you can simply download my code and check it, and I will fix that one. The route will be missing in the documentation, so I will definitely add that part. Okay, and so the other thing is, if you guys like also looking to integrate Stripe in your application or in your project, so you can definitely hire us, or you can also ping us. We will definitely do it for you, like at a very reasonable cost for sure, right? Okay, so and the other thing is, thank you so much for watching and giving your time to CodeHunger. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.